I'm Robin with Wholesale Shade. Welcome to our Shade Sail University campus, also known as the place where Patrick stores his race cars. In today's video, in 5 minutes or less, we're going to review the tools and materials that you need to install a hip canopy. Take some notes. Let's get started. I want to take a minute to go over the tools and materials that you're going to need to install or take down a hip canopy. You're in luck, it's not a lot of tools. Most of these you can find pretty easily at a local hardware store, or you might even have some of these already in your toolbox. To start, you're going to want 2 strong pieces of rope. These are about 45 feet long each. You're going to want 2 come-alongs. A vice grip is going to come in handy when you are tightening the cable. And speaking of the cable, there are 3 main sizes of cable that you're going to encounter on a hip canopy. We've got a 3/16 size, a 1/4 inch size, and a 3/8 size. And so you're going to need the corresponding socket wrenches to install or remove those cable clamps. So you'll want to have an 8mm, a 10mm, and a 17mm handy. You're going to need measuring tape for when you're measuring and ordering your hip canopy replacement. 2 types are good. Definitely get the 100-foot. You're going to want it for those long distances. Safety first, get yourself a pair of work gloves. And you're going to want to take some good notes throughout the whole process. I like to use our shade sail removal worksheet if we are going to be reinstalling a sail later on. You're going to want to take some good notes on the condition of the sail, which corner goes where, what the current measurements are, all that good stuff. So that's going to be really useful for you. You're going to want to have 2 ladders with you, whether you're doing it by yourself or with a partner. 2 ladders is going to make things a lot easier for you. And lastly, we've got this. You wouldn't expect that you would need this with a hip canopy install, but this is a double-ended bricklayer tool. And this is actually gonna make your life a lot easier. And I'll show you how to use it in our install video, but you're gonna wanna pick one of these up. As you can see, it's not a whole lot. It's really only about $300 worth of tools. So if you are looking to get into the shade industry, this is a really easy way to start because there's not a lot of setup involved with installing hip canopies. Thanks for watching as we reviewed the tools and materials that you need to take down and reinstall a hip canopy. If you've got more questions or you want to get a quote on a hip canopy top, give me a call. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to check out our Shade Sail University YouTube channel for more tips and tricks on all things shade sails, and I'll see you next time.